Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया लार्जेस्ट डायग्नोस्टिक्स कंपनी एजिलिस डायग्नोस्टिक्स। खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो।
Hi, this is Dr. Preeti Seth, your own wellness expert. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, the impact of maternal diet on breast milk quality. Yes, it's very imperative to know that what kind of food a mother should take when she is lactating. Because we need to make sure that the infant is getting every nutrient, be it macro or micro. You need to make sure that you're taking right kind of fats, you're taking lean proteins, you're taking equal and good amount of leafy vegetables to make sure that the right amount of vitamins and minerals are reaching to your infant. You need to make sure these unique qualities and these unique foods that are very important to add into your diet. Omega-3 rich food, I have been talking about them. We need to make sure that they are added in your diet. They are DHA rich foods like flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts. They take care of cognitive development of the infant and they make sure that the vision of the infant is also intact. They work on their cognitive abilities and vision. The gut health, we cannot forget that. If the mother will take care of her gut health, definitely that's going to impact the infant gut health also. So we need to take care of probiotic, something like yogurt, something like fermented foods, which can take care of their digestive system. Number 3, a mother needs to be always boosting her hydration by not just taking plain water, by taking infused water, by adding maybe cucumber, mint, apple, cut pieces of apple, cinnamon, so that they are taking the right amount of antioxidants for the better hydration and for good milk production. Yes, we cannot forget the exposure of sunlight. Yes, sun exposure is important for the vitamin D absorption, for the calcium going to the infant. That's the only way. And if you cannot get exposed to sunlight, it's more important to at least have supplements. Our mothers have been telling us, for the better quality of milk and milk production, galactogogues are very important. Yes, these are natural ingredients and the food that is lying in your kitchen. Fennel, fenugreek seeds, they just do not improve the quality, but they improve the digestion also. So make sure if you are pregnant, make sure to have good amount of diet from the beginning till the time you're lactating your child for their good start and for a healthy future. Lot of times we are confused that when to add supplements and when to start complementary foods in the optimal growth of the child and how to wean off things. So it's very important and imperative for a mother to know that only breast milk will not be sufficient after 6 months. So any complementary food you can start once your child attains 6 months. So foods like iron rich fortified foods are very important, like oats and rice you need to add, but you have to make sure that you add one ingredient at a time so that we actually get to know that is there any intolerance or any allergies in the body. Consistency plays an important role, because it's very important that you start with puree form or maybe in a soft puree form diet, and then maybe you are switching to the mashed way of feeding your infant. And it's very important to make sure that you're adding right amount of ingredients. So what we can start with is like pureed form of vegetables and fruits like banana, apple, and we can stew even carrots and then make it very nicely, and it is easily digestible also. For a stable growth, it's very important that the right amount of protein is given, because that's the time that growth is happening. So the diet should be rich in protein, and you can add those lentil juice, and you can give mashed peas, which is going to help the child. And slowly, gradually switch to finger foods, and so that they are enjoying that food. And moreover, it's very important to give your child the lead and give them time to accept that food and like that. You don't have to force that they have to like the food what you're giving. So give them enough time. And I always say that try to have whole food, try to give them natural flavor, because I've seen most of the time mothers adding extra sugar, extra salt. So avoid that, and so that your child is enjoying the real flavor of the food they are taking. So it's very important when you are starting with any complementary food, because that's the time that they will be used to of eating healthy flavors. So your presentation of the food is very important. It should be attractive, it should be palatable, it should have right satiety value also. So keeping all these things in mind, you can really start complementary food for your child when they attain 6 months till 8 months. And then once they become 10 months, they will choose the food for themselves, and mothers just need to take care that the right amount of food is going in their body, right amount of nutrients, and they are on a balanced diet. So keep watching and stay tuned for more such informations on Fit Tak.